In order to implement the system design, we use map-info. The geodatabase model is used to store and manage all datasets. GPS table was loaded to the system. On the other hand, we want to display other non-temporal feature layers as streets and city. Non-provided layers as parks and avenues were created taking identical copy from a raster image provided. We take advantage from the map info, our programming language MapBasic, in order to create the model. The start point of this research is represent datasets provided into the GIS. Each data record now represents a unique moment of the single trip and contain geographic information of the trip as origin and destination coordinates, temporal information of the trips as timestamp, and non-spatial attribute as traveler information. Regarding other two datasets were not provided, places, location, and gas station employees' addresses were built. Besides, intersection streets was created with advanced SQL language in order to search all the addresses by street number and street intersection. With thematic maps, known as clusters in non-geographical systems, users can easily check the individual location and pick out each other. Missing information and outliers and wrong information were detected in the dataset provided. Powerful geotemporal multivariate tool was created in order to match credit card and tax layers and detect modify information, validate them. In the tool, some temporal information of employees' credit card dataset was detected modifying 4 places. One of the track detected as outlier was excluded of the GPS as whole dataset before start the analysis. Outliers need to be separate of our research to avoid conclusions. Other rare patterns, as good tracks, can be easily detected and reported. Missing data in the streets table had to be mathematically calculated in average and logical sequence. Daily and weekend activity are easily represented in our system with thematic maps. For example, Sunday executive calls take place in a specific location and time each week. This common behavior is recorded as pattern. Finally, and the most important power of our two systems was allow us to detect individual suspicious movements at meetings, which will be reported for further investigation. The conclusion is that our models allow us to discover not only deep patterns, but also interesting evidences.